In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive your emails within Gmail. So archived emails are not deleted emails. You can always find them and they're just hidden within your inbox. You cannot be able to see them in your inbox, but you can always bring them back if you're interested. So assuming I'm on my Gmail and I want to archive this particular email from Epic Mentorship, and I can just select it. I can right click and archive it, or I can come over here and say archive, or you can right click and then you can archive it if you're interested. Come to archive, you do the same thing. It is going to archive it, which means it is hidden from my desktop. So if you want to have access to it, all you need is to come back to this left hand side and come to all mails over here, and you'll be able to see it down here. This is archived, and if you want to have a copy back on your inbox, you can just select it, and you can see over here, move it to inbox. So you can click, and this is going to move this particular mail to your inbox. So once you're back to your inbox, you'll be able to see it back in your inbox. So this is actually how to archive your email within Gmail. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.